Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the dreaded F7E6 error code on your Whirlpool washer, you're in the right place. This error can be a real headache, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. First off, let's talk about what this code actually means. The F7E6 error typically indicates a problem with the motor speed or a communication issue between the washer's control board and the drive motor. It's one of those codes that pops up when something's not syncing properly in the machine's electronics. Now, why does this happen? There are a few common causes. It could be due to faulty wiring or loose connections around the motor, a malfunctioning control board, or even issues with the drive motor itself. Sometimes, it's as simple as a power surge or an overloaded washer causing the error. In older models, wear and tear on components like the belt or bearings might be the culprit. Understanding these causes is key to fixing the problem without unnecessary hassle. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start with the easiest fix. Unplug your washer from the power outlet for at least 5 minutes. This reset can clear temporary glitches and might resolve the error right away. Once it's plugged back in, run a test cycle to see if the code disappears. If that doesn't work, you'll need to do some hands-on troubleshooting. Open up the washer panel. Make sure it's unplugged first for safety, and check for any loose wires connected to the motor or control board. Secure any that look off. Next, inspect the drive belt for signs of damage or wear. If it's cracked or slipping, you'll need to replace it. For more advanced issues, like a faulty control board, it might be time to call in a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. Remember, if your washer is still under warranty, contact Whirlpool support before attempting repairs. Following these steps should get your washer back up and running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance fixes. See you next time.